Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use the general dispenser drawer. Here is how to use the general dispenser drawer. Carefully pull the dispenser drawer out until it stops. Add liquid or powdered detergent to this compartment when using the pre-wash option. For the pre-wash, use the liquid detergent cup in the main wash dispenser. Doing so prevents the main wash detergent from being dispensed when pre-wash starts. The amount of detergent added for the pre-wash option is 1/2 of the amount recommended for the main wash cycle. This compartment holds laundry detergent for the main wash cycle. Either powdered or liquid detergent may be used in this compartment. Liquid or powdered color-safe bleach may be added to the main wash compartment with detergent of the same type. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. If the dispenser has a liquid detergent cup and insert, make sure they are in place when using liquid detergent. Make sure to remove them when using powdered detergent. This compartment holds fabric softener, which is automatically dispensed during the final rinse cycle. Just like in the main wash detergent compartment, you can use powdered or liquid detergent. When using concentrated softener, dilute it with warm water before use. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Do not pour fabric softener directly into the drum. This compartment holds liquid bleach, which is dispensed automatically at the proper time during the wash cycle. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Detergent and fabric softener may build up in the dispenser drawer. If there is residue buildup in the dispenser drawer, you should clean it. It is also a good idea to clean the dispenser drawer once or twice a month. First, pull the drawer out until it stops. Then press down on the disengage button and pull the drawer all the way out. Next, remove the drawer components. Rinse both the drawer and components with warm water to remove any residue buildup. Clean the drawer opening with a cloth or soft brush. Make sure the drawer is completely dry. Reassemble the drawer and then gently reinsert it. And that's it.